Okay, welcome to this video. In this video, we're walking you through how to go about adding everything audio editing. Okay, when it comes to CapCut. All right, so how to add audio to your video timeline. Okay, and how to add sound effects, how to increase and reduce volume, how to increase and reduce audio volume. Okay, and how to enhance that. Okay, and also how to reduce noise. All right, audio noise and many more are the things we are going to be treating in this video tutorial. All right, so let's jump right into our screen.
Culture says fall in love.
Okay, so right here, okay, we are here inside CapCut, and so we have
Culture
this.
says fall in love.
All right, so now we can add audio by simply, okay, you're going to this your main timeline here. All right, so you can see your main timeline down here. This is the main timeline, okay, somewhere around there. All right, so now to actually bring audio, okay, to bring audio to the screen, all you have to do is to click on the audio bar down. You're going to see the audio stuff down here, right? So click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to see a lot of options down here. Okay, you're going to see a lot of options down here. All right, so just make sure you whatever you're going for with this, you can add audio, you can actually add check for copyright, you can add sound effects, you can add text to audio, you can extract audios. Okay, you can actually go for custom voice, and you can record your personal audio. It's as simple as that. All right, so but let me walk you through how to add your audio. Okay, so let's add audio. So click on audio, click on sounds. Once you click on sounds, it's going to bring this. All right, so but perhaps if you are using if you are editing the video, I want to encourage that you go for the default audios of default sounds that are inside CapCut. Okay, I will encourage that you go for your personal sound that you've downloaded from other websites or that is on your phone. All right, so what you have to do now is click on device to get the voices, the audios that are already on your device. Okay, that are in your device rather. All right, so click on device, then you're going to see a list of your music. Okay, the music on your device, and you're going to see all this. Okay, you're going to see all this, so just click on the music you want to use. All right, so click on the music you want to use, the sound you want to use, and you're going to see it down here. Okay, you're going to see it down here, you can see. And if your video is longer than your audio, which is your maybe the music or something, all you have to do is to just come down here, just scroll, then click on duplicate. Automatically it will bring another variation. Okay, like it just duplicates the audio, and it's as simple as that. And you can see that there's SSS here, right? So just check out the stuff right here, then click on the audio, then click on splits, then delete the XSS. Okay, delete the XSS with that, and that's that about that. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is how do you reduce audio volume and how do you increase audio volume. All right, so to increase audio volume and to reduce audio volume, you have to click on the audio, and down here you're going to see volume. Down here you're going to see volume. All right, so this is volume down here. So all you have to do, just click on the volume, and you're going to see you can increase it to 1000, you can reduce it, okay, depending on what actually suits the purpose of the audio. Okay, if it's background audio, you want to make sure it is low, very low. Okay, not very I mean, but just make sure it is below 30, depending on how loud the sound is though. All right, so that's that about that, how to increase. Okay, and we also have this feature which is fade in and fade out. So you may be wondering, what is fade in and fade out? It's simple. So fade in and fade out is to actually fade in the beginning of your audio, so the audio won't start very loud. Okay, so it will start, okay, the edge. Now let's click on it. All right, so you see fade in, and you're going to see something changing here.
God says, walk it.
All right, pay attention to this. Okay, pay attention to this, somewhere around there. Okay, pay attention to that. You're going to see what I'm saying now. So once you click on that, you see that the stuff is going down, right? So it will fade it will fade, it will actually fade the video, the audio at the beginning. So the voice is going to start on a very, very low, like at a very, very low point, then it will rise gradually. All right, so depending, this 2.8 seconds, 3.9 seconds is the duration, okay, of the fade in. All right, so if you want it to be just 2 seconds, you just leave it at 2 seconds. And the same thing applies to the outro. So the end of the music, just click on fade out, okay, and that's just that. So the music won't just end while still playing aloud, okay, so it will fade out the music, so that will show professionalism in your background music or something. All right, so that's about that. All right, so the next thing we are going to talk about is sound effects. So that's it's also called SFC. And yeah, so down here you're going to see sound effects here. So that's SFC, and sorry, SFX rather. And so you're going to see sound effects here. So under CapCut there are existing sound effects. Okay, so on our Telegram channel, I have like there are a lot of sound effects that are common, okay, that I already shared on our Telegram channel. All right, so if you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, so please do well to join. You can check out the link displayed on the screen right now to join our Telegram channel, or check the description, but in case the link is not there, so check the link on the screen to join our major, okay, Telegram channel. And if you're watching this from inside the course, okay, the links to our Telegram channel, both the main channel and the discussion channel, will be somewhere in this course, so make sure you join the community. All right, so you're going to see a lot of sound effects here. So here you can search, okay, you can search for the sound effect you're looking for. All right, so if you're looking for swoosh, just search for it, okay, to bring the list of swoosh, okay, so you can play them to test out. So just play them, play the stuff to check out the one you are looking for. And that's just about that. So let me try to just click on one. So click on download, then you click on plus to add it to the timeline. So you see this, so that's how it works. So later on, under sound design, and that's later on, you're going to be discussing how to perfectly use this sound effect, so that it won't be too much, it won't be too loud, it won't actually make your video look unprofessional and many other stuff. So we are going to treat that under the topic sound design. All right, so before we end the series, okay, this teaching today is that I want to show you how to get, okay, how to extract audio from videos. All right, so if you have a video that you'd like to use the soundtrack, you simply click on extract. Okay, click on extract. Okay, in your gallery, just choose a video whose sound you want to extract. Once you click on the video, all right, click on add. Automatically the file will be extracted, like the audio will be extracted, and you can use it in your videos. Okay, so you can use it in your videos, and you can use it anytime you want to use this. Come to sounds, and check your file, then check extracted. You're going to see extracted audios down here. You can use them over and over again. All right, so now, the last thing you ought to know, there are other stuff you can just explore yourself. We have text to audio, so you can convert text to audio, and you can also record your voice with this, and you can also create custom voice with AI. All right, so those are the features here, and make sure you explore that on your phone. So that's the basic teaching on audio. As we move on, we are going to discuss further complex teachings when it comes to audio. All right, guys, see you in the next tutorial.